Hello, how are you? If you watched my last video, you may have noticed I paused for a moment and thought I heard something. Well, apparently I just got a box delivered, so I just went and grabbed it and I'm just gonna continue filming. So if I look the same, that is why. So today I received my Vellabox, and this is the second time I've unboxed this on my channel, I believe. And this is a candle subscription, and I just love candles. And when I got this, I realized that I have one up here that smells so good from last month still that I need to light. It smells so good. So I'm super excited. They have amazing hand-poured small batch American artisan made candles, and they offer several subscriptions starting at $10 a month. I get the most expensive one, which is $30 per month. It's called like the Vivere box or something like that. I will definitely link them below if you want to check it out. But it is super awesome. They last so long. They smell so good. Can you tell I'm really happy about this? Oh my god! I just opened the box. Look how cute. So the candles always come in these cute little bags. And this month for October, it's pumpkin bags. And I try and reuse these bags. I have an eBay store, and sometimes I'll like send any jewelry that's sold or something like in one of these bags because they're so cute. And I feel like it really adds to the purchase because hopefully they can reuse it too, but I'm loving this. So with the $30 box, you get 2 candles. You get a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce. So if you want to get the only the $10 per month box, you get just the small one. And I think if you get the $20 box, you just get the large, or like, yeah, just the large candle. And then you always get some little goodies, and it looks like it's chocolate. Let's see. So, oh, and they're kind of melted because they're out in my mailbox. In Florida, it's like 90 degrees today. But there's some Ghirardelli chocolates. This one is dark chocolate and caramel. So this will help me resist. I'll wait till they form again and then I'll eat them. And this one's a mini milk chocolate caramel. And then an additional one. They're so mushy. So I'm just gonna lay them over here. And then there is a little quote in here that says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." October is a great month, isn't it? That's pretty. Oh my god, I am seriously just dying over how cute this pumpkin stuff is. And it comes with a little piece of paper that tells you all about the products, and that is even cute. Look at the pumpkins. Oh my god, this is getting me some fall feelings right now. Ooh. I don't know what that was. Okay, so it looks like the featured favorites are from Untamed Supply, which is based out of Kansas City, Kansas. So awesome. I am going to just set this in my lap and get unboxing on, or unbagging, I guess. Now they're in little bags. I will start with the small one. Oh my god, you guys, this is the cutest little bag. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It says it's Untamed Supply, which, as I said before, is 100% soy wax candle. It says 20-hour burn, and it says, I think it's in the scent Cinder. Isn't this a super cute little canister? Oh, and 3% of it's for goes to national parks. Awesome. Oh my god, this seriously smells like Cinder. It smells so good. It's like there's like a bonfire right here, but like better. I don't know what I'm showing you. It looks like a candle, but it smells so good. I wish I could be like, smell it, you guys, smell. I love it. It seriously reminds me of fall. God, they always pick the best candles, and I love that they're always like locally made in the United States, and they feature like one place every month. So yeah, this place, Kansas City, Kansas. And this one says Hayrides, and this is also 100% soy, 45-hour burn. I think they last longer than they say. Like, I have one downstairs, and seriously, I think the soy candles just last so long. So Hayrides. Oh my god, this smells. They do such a good job at accurately like getting the scent to the name. Hayrides. God, this is making me kind of miss fall weather. I am gonna be so happy that I'm in Florida during the winter time. But those like few weeks of actual fall weather, like if that you get everywhere else, like in the Midwest, I'm kind of miss that right now. This is like taking me back to like childhood right now. So super cute. Okay, so, please recycle. I am super happy with this month, you guys. Let's see if there's anything on here I should tell you. So, Oh, it looks like there's a code if you want to buy anything from untamedsupply.com. The code VB20 at checkout for 20% off your orders over $75. So I will definitely put that in the description below because these smell so good. I highly recommend them. And I love that they donate 3% of their profits to the national parks. And yeah, it's made with simple, clean ingredients. They're passionate about bringing the natural sense of the wild outdoors inside. And they really do a good job. So Hayride, which is the bigger one, it has notes of apple, spiced orange, and cinnamon. It says, hitch up the hay wagon for a fall adventure with a mug full of fresh pressed cider. Pairs perfectly with falling temperatures and foliage. And then Cinder smells like hickory, smoke, clove, and fir. And this scent perfectly replicates smoldering embers with a fallen morsel of marshmallow that fell into the campfire. It's smoky, woody, and holds just a scent of sweetness. It does. They did such a good job describing it too. Like, I'm not good at describing fragrances, but the title or the name of these candles actually are what they smell like. It's not like anything deceiving. So there's that. I will leave the information below, and I am super excited to reuse these bags and light up those candles. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, please subscribe, and also make sure to enter my 1,000 subscriber, I almost said $1,000, sorry, it's not that much. My 1,000 subscriber giveaway has a retail value about $300, the prizes. So that ends at October 31st, yeah, the end of this month, so I will leave that link below. And I also have a giveaway going on with a company for the advanced derma rolling system, which is awesome. I did a video about that like 2 days ago. And that ends this Friday, October 21st, so I will also leave the link below. That has a $200 value, and it is awesome. I'll also leave the link to my video so you can learn more about it there and get a little tutorial on how to use the product. I so far highly recommend it, and I will keep you guys updated. But again, thank you for being here. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow.